Hello, I'm going to explain how to complete lesson number 2 of week of February 1st. If you have questions, please send me an email, or you can send me an invite to Google Hangout chat, or you can click here to sign up for office hours. Here's the lesson agenda. You will complete a reading about monarch butterflies, do some graph analysis, and then complete claim evidence practice based on the data that you gathered from the graph. You can find your weekly objective here on the left side and the key points from last class here on the right side. For the monarch butterfly reading, highlight 3 pieces of important information, underline 2 words you don't know, bold 1 thing that confuses you, and answer the concept check questions at the bottom. Here is the reading. Make sure that you are highlighting, bolding, and underlining the 3 things that are listed here at the top. Once you finish the reading, you will answer these 5 concept check questions. Make sure that you type here in the lighter pink box. For step 2, you will do graph analysis. You will take a look at this graph and answer these questions on the right-hand side. Make sure that you are looking at the arrows that I have drawn on this image. If you would like to see this image bigger, you can either zoom here to 150, or you can also double click on the image and then it will open a bigger image for you to look at the details. For step number 3, you will use the evidence from the graph to highlight the best answer based on the specific question. For questions 1 and 2, we are going to focus on claim. So question 1 is asking to highlight the claim that is true based on this data. And then for question number 3 is asking to highlight the strongest claim based on this data. For question number 3, it is evidence. So you're going to highlight the strongest evidence based on the data of this graph. Again, if you would like to make these graphs bigger, all you have to do is double click and then the image will be shown bigger on the screen. Lastly, make sure that you check your work, that you have completed steps 1, 2, and 3, and then you highlight how long this lesson took you. Don't forget to click Turn In on Google Classroom.